Hello dear students. Hope you are staying safe at home and doing well. In today's our English grammar class, we will learn the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Do you know what are degrees of comparison? I'll tell you. We can use adjectives to compare objects, animals, people or ideas. These are called degrees of comparison. Yes, when we use adjectives to compare the person, animals, things or objects, at that time we use degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison, that are positive, comparative and superlative. We will learn all 3 today. The first is positive degree. When we use an adjective to describe just one object or person, etc., we call this the positive degree. It will be clear to you by seeing the example. See the example. The example is Tom is a tall boy. In this sentence, the word tall is an adjective telling us how Tom is. There is no other person or thing in this sentence used to compare Tom with. It is the general way of saying about people, animals, or things that have some quality. It is the simplest form of adjective. This is called positive degree of comparison. The second is comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare two things or people. Yes, when we make comparison between two things or people, at that time we use comparative degree. Comparative degree is followed by then. Yes, see the example will be clear to you. Tom is taller than his sister. In this sentence, the word taller is an adjective used to compare tallness of Tom and his sister. And in this sentence, it is telling us that Tom has more of the quality of tallness than his sister. Then third one is superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two things or people. See the example. Tom is the tallest of all his friends. Yes. One more thing also here. We always place the before the superlative degree. Here the tallest is the superlative degree and we placed the before it. And here we are seeing that we are comparing Tom's tallness to all his friends. The tallest is the superlative degree of comparison here. This degree we are using to compare, and superlative degree, we can say that superlative degree we use to compare one person, animal or thing with more than two person, animal or things. Now see the formation of degrees of adjective. How do we form comparative and superlative degree? There are some rules. We will learn that also. Rule 1 is by adding er and est respectively to adjective of one syllable. Syllable means vowel sound. If one vowel sound is there, we add er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. Like high, higher, highest, near, nearer, nearest, cold, colder, coldest. See rule number 2. In adjectives ending in a vowel and consonant, the consonant is doubled before adding er and est. When we add er in comparative degree, we doubled the consonant letter. Like in big, G, we will make it double. I is vowel and G is consonant. We will make G double, like in bigger and biggest also, and in this way we form comparative and superlative degree, like in big, bigger, biggest, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest. Now come to rule number 3. Rule number 3 is adjectives of 3 or more syllable have more and most in their comparative and superlative form. Yes, few adjectives have 3 or more vowel sound. At that time we use more and most to form their comparative and superlative degree. See the example: popular. When we will form comparative, we will use more popular, and when we will form it into the superlative, we will write most popular. Popular, more popular, most popular. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Now come to rule number 4. In adjectives ending in y change to I before adding er and est in comparative and superlative forms. Like happy. In happy, y will be changed into I and then we will add er in comparative form, and in superlative form in the same way we will change y into I and then we will add est. Happy, happier, happiest, easy, easier, easiest, busy, busier, and busiest. What we did here, we changed y into I and then we add er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. Now come to rule number 5. Some adjective of 2 syllables ending in full, less, ing or ed have more and most in their comparative and superlative forms. Yes, if 2 vowel sounds are there and at the end of that word is full, less and ing or ed, we use more to make it comparative and we use most in superlative form, like joyful, more joyful, most joyful, careless, more careless, most careless, boring, more boring, or most boring in superlative form. Now come to rule number 6. Rule number 6 is a few adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative form. Yes, we make them completely change when we form in comparative and superlative. Like good, it will be changed in better in comparative degree, and in superlative it will be best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most. So these were few rules to change into comparative and superlative forms. Hope you learned all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.